Welcome to our ultimate guide on the best motorcycle cleaning kits. As a dedicated biker, you know that keeping your ride clean is essential not just for aesthetics, but also for performance and longevity. A good cleaning kit can help you tackle grime, road salt, and other residues that accumulate during your rides. In this video, we will review the top 7 motorcycle cleaning kits available today, covering their features, usability, and overall effectiveness. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Muc-Off Nano-Tech Motorcycle Cleaner. The Muc-Off Nano-Tech Motorcycle Cleaner is a stand-up product that brings advanced cleaning technology to the world of motorcycle maintenance. This cleaner is formulated with nanotechnology, which allows it to penetrate dirt and grime on a microscopic level, effectively breaking down contaminants without damaging your bike's finish. The biodegradable formula ensures that it's environmentally friendly, so you can clean your motorcycle guilt-free. This cleaner is incredibly versatile, suitable for all surfaces including metals, plastics, and painted finishes. Simply spray it onto the dirty areas, allow it to sit for a few moments, and then rinse off with water. The result is a gleaming surface that looks as good as new. One of the key features of the Muc-Off cleaner is its ability to repel dirt after application, making future cleaning easier. The 1-liter bottle provides ample cleaning solution for multiple uses, and its ergonomic design makes it easy to handle. With a fade-neutral formula, it ensures that your bike's components are safe from corrosion. Overall, the Muc-Off Nano-Tech Motorcycle Cleaner is an essential tool for bikers who want to maintain their motorcycles in pristine condition without compromising on quality or safety.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Drill Brush Motorcycle Cleaning Kit. The Drill Brush Motorcycle Cleaning Kit is a game-changer for bikers who prefer a power-assisted approach to cleaning. This kit includes a variety of brushes that attach to your drill, making it easy to scrub away tough dirt and grime with minimal effort. The brushes come in different sizes and shapes, allowing you to tackle various surfaces and hard-to-reach areas effectively. The bristles are designed to be tough on dirt yet gentle on your motorcycle surfaces, ensuring that you don't scratch or damage any finishes. The kit includes both stiff and soft brushes, giving you the flexibility to choose the right tool for the job, whether you're cleaning delicate painted surfaces or scrubbing more robust parts like tires and engines. What sets this kit apart is the time-saving aspect. Using a drill allows you to clean faster, making it an ideal choice for those who frequently ride and need to maintain their bikes regularly. It's also user-friendly, making it suitable for both seasoned bikers and those new to motorcycle maintenance. If you want an efficient and thorough cleaning solution, the Drill Brush Motorcycle Cleaning Kit is a Number 3. Motorcycle Leather Cleaner and Protect Kit. For bikers with leather seats and gear, the Motorcycle Leather Cleaner and Protect Kit is an indispensable addition to your cleaning arsenal. This comprehensive kit not only cleans but also conditions and protects leather surfaces, helping to extend their lifespan. The cleaner effectively removes dirt, oils, and grime without stripping the leather of its natural oils, ensuring that it remains supple and soft. The protective solution in this kit forms a barrier against UV rays, preventing fading and cracking over time. It also helps repel water, keeping your leather gear looking great even in unpredictable weather conditions. The easy-to-use spray bottle allows for precise application, and the included microfiber cloth is perfect for buffing and polishing the leather after cleaning. What's more, this kit is suitable for all types of leather, making it a versatile choice for bikers with various gear, from jackets to saddlebags. Regular use of this cleaner and protectant will keep your leather looking fresh and new, ensuring you ride in style. The Motorcycle Leather Cleaner and Protect Kit is essential for anyone looking to maintain the quality and appearance of their leather motorcycle gear. Number 4. Kärcher 62,957,630 Motorcycle Cleaner. The Kärcher 62,957,630 Motorcycle Cleaner is designed for bikers who prefer a powerful and effective cleaning solution. This product is formulated specifically for motorcycles, offering a strong yet safe way to remove dirt and grime from all types of surfaces. With its effective cleaning agents, it quickly dissolves road grime, oil, and grease, leaving your bike spotless. One of the standout features of this cleaner is its compatibility with Kärcher pressure washers, making it incredibly convenient to use. Just attach it to your pressure washer and let it do the hard work for you. The 1-liter bottle provides enough solution for several washes, and its concentrated formula ensures that you get maximum cleaning power with minimal product. The Kärcher cleaner is safe for use on various surfaces, including plastic, metal, and painted finishes. It's also biodegradable, so you can feel good about using it without harming the environment. If you're looking for a cleaning solution that's both powerful and easy to use, the Kärcher 62,957,630 motorcycle cleaner is an excellent choice for keeping there. Number 5 to 10 pack motorcycle cleaning brush kit. The 10-pack motorcycle cleaning brush kit is a must-have for every biker who values thorough cleaning. This comprehensive set includes a variety of brushes, each designed for specific cleaning tasks. The brushes come in different sizes, shapes, and bristle types, ensuring that you have the right tool for every nook and cranny of your motorcycle. From soft bristle brushes for delicate surfaces to stiff brushes for tougher grime, this kit covers all your cleaning needs. The ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip, allowing you to clean for extended periods without discomfort. Additionally, brushes are made from durable materials, ensuring that they can withstand repeated use without losing their effectiveness. The compact storage bag included with the kit makes it easy to keep your brushes organized and accessible whenever you need them. This kit is perfect for those who enjoy getting into the details of motorcycle cleaning, making it easier to maintain every aspect of your bike. The 10-pack motorcycle cleaning brush kit is an excellent investment for riders who take pride in keeping their motorcycle. Number 6. 6 PCS Motorcycle Cleaning Brush Set. The 6 PCS Motorcycle Cleaning Brush Set offers a streamlined approach to motorcycle maintenance, featuring 6 essential brushes that cater to various cleaning tasks. This set includes brushes designed for detailing and reaching tight spaces, making it perfect for cleaning intricate parts of your motorcycle, such as spokes, engine fins, and other hard-to-reach areas. Each brush is constructed with durable bristles that provide effective cleaning without scratching or damaging the surfaces. The ergonomic handles ensure a comfortable grip, making it easier to apply the right amount of pressure as you scrub away dirt and grime. Whether you need to clean your chain, wheels, or bodywork, this set has a brush to fit your needs. This cleaning set is not only practical but also compact, making it easy to store in your garage or take along on trips. The quality and variety of brushes ensure that you can maintain your motorcycle's appearance and performance without hassle. For bikers looking for a reliable and efficient cleaning solution, the 6 PCS Motorcycle Cleaning Brush Set. Number 7. Autoglym Motorcycle Cleaner. The Autoglym Motorcycle Cleaner is renowned for its professional-grade cleaning capabilities. This product is specially formulated for motorcycles, making it effective on all surfaces, including painted finishes, plastics, and metals. The easy-to-use spray bottle allows for precise application, making it convenient to target specific areas of your bike that need cleaning. What sets Autoglym apart is its advanced cleaning technology, which not only removes dirt and grime, but also leaves a protective layer that helps repel future dirt and moisture. This means your bike stays cleaner for longer, reducing the frequency of washes. The cleaner is safe to use on all parts of your motorcycle, ensuring that no surface is compromised during cleaning. The formula is biodegradable, making it an environmentally friendly option for conscientious bikers. With a capacity of 1 liter, this cleaner provides ample solution for multiple washes, making it a cost-effective choice as well. If you want a reliable cleaner that delivers professional results, the Autoglym Motorcycle Cleaner is a top contender that will keep your bike looking its best. Thank you for joining us in our ultimate guide to the best motorcycle cleaning kits. Keeping a motorcycle clean is not just about appearance. It also plays a crucial role in maintaining performance and longevity. Each of the products we've covered today offers unique features and benefits that cater to the specific needs of bikers. With the right cleaning kit, you can ensure that your ride remains in top condition for many adventures to come. Ride safe,